The added technology and features in our modern and highly electrified vehicles will continue to drive the need for advanced battery technology. Today's start-stop vehicles are equipped with new technologies, including advanced driver assistance systems, cameras and sensors, GPS, semi-autonomous driving solutions, and a lot more that are putting more and more strain on our battery. A new start-stop vehicle may have as many as 150 electrical features. That means your battery simply needs to do more. More starting, more cycling, and generally more output of power. As automakers work to meet increasingly stringent fuel economy and emission standards, many have turned to start-stop technology, which cuts the engine when the vehicle is stopped and restarts it once the driver takes his or her foot off the brake. Over the next several years, more vehicles will be in the start-stop category. Although it won't be idling when at a stop, your vehicle is still required to run the necessary loads to keep its technology functioning. Globally, start-stop is the fastest-growing market segment that is increasing demands on the traditional 12-volt battery. The continued increase in the number of vehicles with high electrical demands in the aftermarket is forecasted to increase by 25% over the next 5 years. So here's a few facts. Consumers are reporting 30% more battery failures versus 5 years ago. J.D. Power reports that battery failure is number 3 on the top 10 list of vehicle problems reported due to the increased demands of start-stop technology. Therefore, it's not surprising that consumers are increasingly dissatisfied with their battery's reliability and performance. While it saves fuel, start-stop puts a lot more strain on your battery because it has to cycle and start many more times per day. If the battery does not maintain a high level of charge acceptance, the vehicle's anti-idle systems will not function properly. And in conjunction with increased electrical loads, the number one cause of vehicle no starts is battery failure from causes related to acid stratification. Now, acid stratification is a fancy way of saying that the acid in your traditional battery settles to the bottom and destroys your battery's plates with excess corrosion, creating a charge imbalance and causing it to fail faster. And that's bad. So, we fixed that. Discover Battery has introduced the MixTech EFB. This epitomizes the most significant improvements to a battery in over 50 years. Discover Battery's MixTech EFB battery uses the existing motion of your vehicle to circulate the acid, preventing buildup. Simply put, the patented and award-winning MixTech technology prevents acid buildup from killing your batteries and can extend their life by up to 3 times. They are 100% maintenance-free, provides superior sustained performance, and offers the lowest cost of ownership versus other conventional batteries in the industry. So, as you can see, it's not really about the length of your battery's warranty any longer. It's about choosing the right battery technology to support your vehicle's increased load requirements. Our lineup of MixTech EFB batteries are replacement market parts that exceed OEM performance requirements and are direct replacements for EFB and AGM batteries in start-stop and anti-idle vehicles. So where can I learn more about MixTech EFB batteries? Contact your local distributor.